Our guest for today's podcast is Roxanne Rojas. She is the founder and lead designer of Rox Interiors, a design studio known for creating modern, functional, and timeless spaces. With a focus on balance, texture, and natural light, she transforms interiors into elegant yet livable environments that reflect each client's personality. Her client centered approach and eye for detail have made Rox Interiors a trusted name for those seeking spaces that are both stylish and deeply personal.
All right. Hi everyone. So, I'm here today with
Roxanne Rojas.
yes, Miss Roxanne Rojas. Okay, so Miss Roxanne, maybe you can introduce yourself and what you do as well.
So I'm Roxanne Rojas. I'm in interior design and construction business for at least 9 years.
Ayun. So, 9 years. No? So, grabe na yung experience natin with interior design. No? So, maybe you can walk us through like how you got started as well with interior design. Like, what made you decide to go into interior design per se?
First of all, my course is really interior design.
Mm-hmm.
So ever since when I was younger, I really would like to be in fashion or
Mm-hmm.
design, something like that. And the second is I want to make people happy by changing their environment.
Oh, wow. So has it always been a passion for you to go into interior design? Like when you were young, parang you already realized na parang gusto ko mag-interior designer.
Yes, sa Sims nag-start.
Sa Sims. Okay, sa
Yes.
Sims. Wow. Okay. So I think maraming nabubuong mga
Mm.
ano dyan, no? Interior designers. Ako din nag-Sims, pero hindi ako naging interior designer. No? So siguro, maybe you can walk us through as well, no? What are the latest trends right now in interior design dito sa Philippines?
Okay, so the latest trends here, first is industrial,
Mhm.
second is modern contemporary, ngayon is modern organic zen vibe.
Mm.
Tapos minsan may luxury pa rin, yun yung parang top 4 so far.
Okay, okay. So, parang, right now 'no, parang may mga iba nag-iiba din talaga 'no, like every when ba siya nagpapalit, every year ba siya nagpapalit ng trends or is it more of like, every 5 years? Like how long does it take before magpalit ng trends?
Um, in my experience, parang
Mm.
every 2 years, ang Filipinos kasi we're very influenced with different culture. So,
Hmm.
kapag uso sa States yung ganito or sa Japan, gagayahin natin. Minimalist si Japan,
Hmm.
gaya.
Mm.
Japandi. So,
Yes,
pumasok yung
Japan.
IKEA. So, nauso yung Scandinavian.
Mm, mm.
Industrial, pumasok. So, we're like
Hmm.
consumers of different
Yeah.
trends.
Okay, so like we like as Filipinos, we like adapting
Mm,
the latest trends as well and then parang we're always influenced by like the trends outside as well, no? Tama
yes.
ba? Okay. Sige, so parang ikaw ba personally, what's your like if you were to design your own house, for example, ano yung gusto mong design or anong klaseng motive?
Okay. That's a hard question kasi I love everything. Like
Yun.
by heart, I like
Mm,
classical, industrial.
mm,
So, kasi we have a brand, we're design chameleons. Parang nagka-chameleon kami sa client. So,
mm.
I always say, if I have a husband, yung future husband, siya na
Siya
magde-decide.
na
At tas ako
mag-design.
na magde-design. For example,
Oo.
pero close to home would be modern organic. Pero anything,
Hmm.
anything talaga.
Okey, parang ang hirap pala 'no, parang as a designer kasi there's so many things that you're thinking about na klase ng design and
Mhm,
it's really tough to just decide on one thing 'no.
mhm.
Um, ano yung mga ano yung siguro if you can share, one experience na sobrang nag-impact sa'yo as an interior designer, ano yun? Like, what type of experience yung na-experience mo na parang, either siguro your best or your worst experience as an interior designer?
Okay, the best experience would be when I was 21, first feature ever sa condo living. So, I was one of the
Hmm.
youngest. So, best experience since first time handling construction, I don't know anything about. I just said yes to the client.
Mm.
Kahit with zero experience with construction. I always say it's easy to design, but it's hard to construct. Parang design is a hobby, construction is business. So
Hmm.
the worst in my interior design, syempre hard clients. But
Mm.
I think the worst if hindi ka binayaran. Yes.
Oo, may
Mm.
mga gano'ng clients din talaga 'no.
Mm.
So, it's quite tough I'm sure to deal with that 'no, and
Mm.
siyempre I think as an entrepreneur parang 'di ba kasi as an interior designer siyempre you're also an entrepreneur, you also
Mhm.
have your own firm 'no, you're also managing people. So, parang siyempre you have things to pay, you have bills to pay, and
Mm.
you have people to pay as well, the salaries and all of
Yes.
the operating expenses. So, 'pag parang hindi ka binayaran parang ang bigat 'no. So, how
Yes.
did you handle the stress or how did you handle
Mm.
yung siguro I guess 'no, right now parang emotionally and mentally people are so affected with everything that's
Mhm.
happening, even the smallest things 'no. So how did you handle that as a young, interior designer?
I handled it na I'm accountable for it too. Maybe
Mm,
my contracts is not that polished. So
mm,
I handled it first, syempre technical side, I
mm.
talked to my lawyer.
Right, right.
Sa second naman, I'm generally a person na who's very easy to move on. Like, I'm generally a
Hmm.
happy person.
Okay,
Parang,
gets, gets,
parang,
gets.
okay, or if you're accountable, 'di ba, 'pag accountable
Mm.
ka, kasalanan ko, eh. You're not blaming other
Yeah,
people. So, parang
oo.
or charge to experience, gano'n talaga.
Tama, oo.
Mm.
That's good kasi most people right now parang nahihirapan sila to get back on their own feet, ganyan pagka nag-fall sila or nagkamali sila or something bad happens to them, no? And it's good that you're able to just be accountable, parang you understand na okay, siguro what can I do better and all that
Mhm.
stuff, right? So I think that's a very inspiring trait and it's also one of the things that's most overlooked, no? Kasi I think di ka naman naging ganyan overnight. You didn't become super successful overnight.
Mm.
Of course, there are a lot of things that you had to learn along the way and so much pain and stress that you had to go through to become
Yes.
where you are right now, no? So that's really inspiring also for mga younger audience out there, no? So siguro one of the questions also I wanted to ask is how has technology right now yung advancements in technology, how has it influenced the interior design industry or how is it helpful or is it detrimental to interior designers in general?
It's very helpful.
Mhm.
Before, this is gonna be technical. So, parang we use Lumion before. Now we have Enscape, so it's
Mm.
faster.
Mm.
Now, 'di ba, we have AIs and stuff like that. It's still not as close na you go to sites and measure everything. It's different pa rin. So, it's helpful when we use Enscape. In construction naman, like smart homes,
Mm.
stuff like that, very ano sa client also. We can offer that to
Hmm.
clients. Sana 'pag walang maids, yung door,
Mm.
you can open it, yun, yung mga smart homes.
Gets, gets. So talagang actually nakatulong siya 'no, and
Yes.
I think there's nowhere to go but up,
Mhm.
with technology. It's rapidly evolving 'no. And, siguro another thing that's one of the biggest changes right now is remote work 'no. With regards to after the pandemic 'no, parang ang daming gusto mag-remote work, ang
Mhm.
daming gustong hybrid work or work from home. How has that impacted your business or interior designers also in general?
Okay. Our employees, they have hybrid. So one day, yun yung work from home nila. But they love going to our office. I don't know why. Nagiging home yung office. Again, since it's an interior design company, we
Mm.
designed the office na home,
Homey,
homey
okay.
na ano yung colors. You went
Mm.
there, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Kahit quaint lang siya and small,
Mm.
parang you would feel na at home ka.
Mm.
So, almost all of my employees, they love going to the office
Hmm.
rather than working from home.
Gets,
So,
gets.
but yeah, flexible pa rin naman. Lalo na
Mm.
kapag laptop lang
Right,
yung work.
right, 'no. And I think, it's also good kasi parang as interior designers, you can also work, remotely. Pero siyempre at the same time, I think as an interior designer, siyempre kailangan parang willing ka din talaga to go to the place, to do
Mhm.
ocular and all that stuff, 'di
Yeah.
ba? So, sobrang important lang talaga for me also na, hindi mawala yung on-site, I guess, na
Mhm.
work, 'di ba? Kasi it's a different feel, eh.
Yeah,
When you're at home minsan nakakatamad and everything, 'di
exactly.
ba? And speaking of working from home, and I mentioned to you a while ago about COVID, 'no? How did COVID impact your business? Like when it was way back mga
2020.
2020, 2022, like how were you able to adapt to the
Mm.
changes in the environment?
Okay. So, honestly, na-bankrupt yung company. So, I have to all the
Oh,
staff.
okay.
Um, then, what I did, ako lang muna again, start from
Mm.
scratch ulit. So, we were still designing
Mm,
online na lang,
mm,
no sites na. May isang site lang for construction but not as many as now. Now kasi with 8 projects, 10 projects, before 2 and 3 lang kasi
mm.
nobody wants to design their homes during the pandemic, right?
Yeah, oo.
Usually food 'yan or
Mm,
medical needs.
mm,
But still, nagpo-propose kami ng design for halimbawa
mm.
grocery, paano yung interior design, ergonomic flow.
Yeah,
So, more of designing lang talaga that time.
gets, gets.
Mm.
Okay, so talagang at least you were able to adapt, and grabe yung sinabi mo na you got bankrupt tapos naging from how many employees biglang naging ikaw na lang mag-isa, 'di ba?
Mhm.
And that could really be a big blow to most people right now, especially the younger generation na ang dami nangyayari 'no, and sometimes they don't get to take it, 'di ba, yung stress and emotional anxiety 'no. So how did you handle that? How did you handle the change and biglang bagsak 'no? Paano mo na-handle yun na nakatayo ka ulit?
First of all, yeah, my prayer to God if
Mm,
you're grounded, that's number one.
mm,
Then the number two is humanap ako ng ibang rocket, like different from design. And I think
mm.
you know what I'm saying.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Then the third is like hanap pa rin, nag-transition ako sa furniture, nag-wallpaper business,
Mm,
which now still yun din ginagawa namin. So you
mm,
transition. And mentally, wala, exercise. I did TikToks a lot before
mm,
to keep me sane. Wala, and generally kasi I am the person who's madali siya ma-move on. Parang after a day,
mm.
okey na ako, gano'n talaga.
Grabe. So, talagang high performance person ka talaga 'no. So, how do you approach working with clients to ensure na their vision aligns with your ideas and
Oh, I think you know this already because Wipe has been our client. You were our client.
Yes, yes.
First is we really want to meet them in person.
Hmm,
'Cause if you're just gonna sa Google Sheet namin, iba pa rin in person, eh. Madaming opinion na, "Ay, hindi ko nasulat." So, on-site para exact measurements. Measurements are very important in
mm,
interior. So, that's the first one, yung vision ng client. So,
mm,
wants and needs with the measurements, tatlo na yon.
mm,
Then the second is we give them a mood board.
mm,
Remember, we give you a mood board para yung mood makuha ng client. Kung
mm,
hindi yon, yun. Tas second is we give options of flow of floor plan na
mm,
ergonomically correct.
mm,
Tapos meron Zoom, tas revision. Then
mm.
we give them construction drawings.
Yes, yes.
Yon. Tapos um I think our pride is really we have customer service talaga, hindi kami
Mm,
nangiiwan ng clients. Kasi iba, bigay drawing, wala
mm,
na. It shouldn't be
mm.
like that.
Gets, gets.
I treat clients as my boyfriends na I
Oo,
update them.
grabe yun.
'Di ba? Parang you update kasi iba 'di ba, kahit hindi interior design, "Ano ba 'to hindi nagre-reply?" Yun pala busy. I
Oo, 'no.
can tell you, "Can we schedule 2 to 3 days I'm busy?" At least you
Oo.
know.
True, true,
Or
true.
parang, "I can't make it." Just reply, gano'n lang.
Mm. Galing, galing 'no.
Mhm,
So, very important talaga being responsive, and medyo
mm.
napansin ko talaga sa inyo, you guys are very hands-on, 'di ba? And at the same time talaga you don't leave your clients hanging just because kunwari nagbayad na tapos na, 'di ba?
Mhm,
And that's one of the things that's very important in retention, client retention, and at the same time, of course, if you want to really expand your business,
mhm,
very important din na makita talaga ng mga tao na you really care for them 'no, kasi nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care, 'di ba? So,
mm.
yun, and then, I also know that you have, experience also in construction, 'di ba? So, parang, how do you ensure in construction na parang projects stay on track and concerning budget, time, and quality?
Okay. projects stay on track. We have weekly progress report and we go to sites, very hands-on yung team. Then the budget, we have three options sa budget. Option one, budget friendly, high end. And we ask the clients naman. Sa client profile pa lang, we ask them, 'di ba? Like the first
Mm.
meeting, ano budget nyo?
Mm.
So we know pa rin. Then the quality of projects executed. Um, Different finishes of materials, we learn talaga. If
Mm.
may bago, lime wash is new, micro cement is new, we learn it.
Mm.
So, I personally, I go to talagang hands-on sessions, how to
Mm.
build like this, how to build like that. Then, yun. Then, after that, punch list.
Mm.
Papa-pair mo sa client kung okay kayong dalawa.
Mm.
Yun.
Gets, gets. Ang galing. So, talagang systematize talaga and everything 'no, and talagang medyo inaral mo talaga 'no? Siguro maybe based on experience na din and
Yeah.
everything, right? So, talking about like we talked about technologies and how that impacted, interior design, but how about in construction? How has it impacted, the construction, what do you call this, industry in general?
Yeah. Okay, technology. Actually, I went to Vietnam last year to
Mm.
learn about building materials. So
Mm.
there's AAC blocks na. So
Mm.
in construction terms, di mo na kailangan magpalitada.
Gets,
So
gets.
parang or like PEB materials.
Mm.
Actually, we used one in one of our projects in Dasma. So
Mm.
prefab, para siyang Lego na lang, tapos
Oo,
build na.
prefabricated na, galing.
Yon. So parang yeah, it really helps. It's not
Mm.
hindi siya ano, kalaban. It's
Oo.
actually like ano, advantage in the industry.
Kasi actually before talagang medyo matagal mag-construct, 'di ba,
Mhm,
tapos talagang semento ata lahat talaga and everything, 'di ba, and
mm.
bato-bato talaga. But now I think with the advancements in technology 'no, and talagang nakakaisip sila ng way na pabilisin yung pag-construct na maganda pa rin siguro yung foundation and
Mm,
the quality of materials na ginagamit 'no. So, and then siguro one of the things I wanted to ask, if there's anything that you wanted to change in the construction industry, like what would it be?
mm. A lot.
A
No,
lot,
just
like
kidding. Um, One, construction industry is for me kasi the hardest and most people would agree are
mm,
dealing with the workers.
right.
Yung ano, yung mga naka-hard hat.
Mm,
So, I want to change sana is like correct ano, yung contracts with them na
mm,
tama yung pay,
mm.
kaya nila binabagalan intentionally minsan. Then the
Gets, gets.
second or if sa contractor madami ring nasa-scam na clients or
Okey.
sana may group na or parang madami nang nakatakas like 40 million, well, hindi naman nahuhuli. So,
Oh,
I think dapat ano, maging ano yung well, not me, but the government would be ano dun,
stricter?
yeah, stricter. Third,
Mm.
be more open with other technology.
Okey, okey, 'di ba, and maganda 'yan, it's a valid point, 'di ba? And
Mm,
then of course siyempre parang better compensate, ganyan, 'di
mm.
ba, all these things 'no? So siguro, just to end, what is one final message you'd like to leave to the audience right now? I'm sure there's a lot of aspiring interior designers and, aspiring na mga gusto magtayo ng construction firm and all that stuff. So, ano yung message mo sa kanila?
Well, my message is, to future interior designers and contractors, it's hard in the industry, but if you like what you do, just keep doing it with passion and perseverance. Yun.
Ayun, okay. So, there you have it. So, guys, once again, Roxanne Rojas, no? Sobrang inspiring and sobrang thank you for your time. I know you're a very busy person.
Yeah,
So,
thank
again,
you.
thank you guys and yun
Thank you,
lang.
Mark.